Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you the unboxing of GoPro Hero 10. This is my first GoPro ever, so I've not used one before. I've seen my friends and family use it, and I think this is going to be very handful and useful in capturing our memories of an upcoming Bahamas trip that we have. I'm especially excited about the underwater videos that I can capture with this. It says it is 23 megapixels, 5.3K and 4K recording at 60 FPS, 120 FPS, waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters. I guess this is their newer processor. I'm not, like I said, this is my first GoPro, so I'm not that well versed with their processor and stuff. These are some more features they have: voice control, slow-mo, waterproof, data overlays, time warp. So some cool stuff going on over here. So this is for $349 when bought from GoPro's official website, along with their 1-year subscription. So like $300 for the GoPro for this particular bundle or version, and $49.99 for the subscription. The subscription is pretty cool, actually. You should check that out as well. I did open the box, as you can see here. I did open it, but I put everything back in so that I could record how it comes. So let's go ahead and get started with that. It comes in this little box or a case, which I think is really cool and can help keep your stuff organized, as well as it can keep the camera really safe. And this is how it looks on the inside. There's this user manual and a bunch of stickers, I guess, that you could use. Some instructions on mounts and stuff, and the manual itself. I'm probably going to read a few stuff from here or just watch other GoPro videos on how to use it. It comes with a USB Type-C charging cable and a couple of mounts. I guess this is the helmet mount, as it is curved. And here is the battery itself. I recommend buying additional batteries. They are $19.99 on the official GoPro website, or even Amazon, I guess. But if you also purchase the subscription, the batteries are about $15 approximately, so that's not too bad at all. And then here is the camera itself. It comes in some sort of a wrapping, and it has these scratch guards kind of things on that. Let me take this off. Ooh, probably I can just, okay, here you go. As you can see, it also has a this thing which can be, I guess, which fits into the mount itself. Right. I have seen people use it, so I'm guessing this is how it goes. And then this would fit on top of any tripod or anything that you use to mount it. So this, and then of course this is the screw that goes over too. So it doesn't have the battery in it, of course. I'm going to open the battery door. The battery door is a bit, okay, you need to use your fingernail to pop it off. All right, here's the charging port, Type-C charging port, and I guess this is where the memory card goes. I'm gonna pop the battery, but then I won't have space for the memory card, so I need to put in the memory card first. I already have an existing 256 GB Samsung memory card, so I'm just gonna use this. I did search on the internet if it supported a 256 GB memory card, and it seems it does. I don't know for sure though yet. I'm exploring myself. There it goes. And then let's put the battery in, close the door. Okay, there you go. And then here's the power button. And it's starting to, oh, it came up, right? Okay, I agree. On, oh, I didn't know that. It had a GPS, that's cool. All right, it needs me to install the GoPro Quick app on my phone to finish the setup. I believe I have it. I'm not very sure about it though. And something that I might have to do later on. So there you go. I cannot turn it on right now. I'm just gonna power it off. Probably needs a connecting to your camera. Skip setup. Oh, didn't let me go ahead. So, oh, for some reason it picked up the right date as well. Not the right time though.